Alpine Lodge Build 4 Part 3. We're making the chimney. Let's turn it so you all can see better. Here's the light that lights up the fireplace. Making the mechanism to light up the fireplace. This is how it works. More of the chimney. Let's turn it so you can see the front. Almost at the top of the chimney. Let's get some stability for the attic and the roof. Now we're building the floor of the attic. Now we're making the attic. I'm showing what I just built. We're making the top part of the front of the building. We've completed the top wall of the attic. Let's keep making the chimney. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!